Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is a 1997 40 horse Mercury. This is a 2-stroke 20-inch shaft remote. This one came back 150 psi on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it and a good used control box, new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter. Oh, 2-stroke, never mind. New fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the fuel system was cleaned and the carburetors were gone through. I'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Let it warm up here. Pumping good water. This one does have tilt and trim here on the side of the engine. Also has it on the control box. You'd be surprised how often I get asked if it has tilt and trim, so just want to make it clear. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great day.